دوستانو سلامونه، هیله ده روغ او جوړ اوسئ، کارونه او چارې مو ښه روان وي. همداسې باز زه په کابل کې یم او دلته په یو رسټورانټ کې مې له ایما سره ولیدل. ایما او ایما چې ده مختلفو هیوادونو ته سفرونه کوي، ټورست په برخه کې، او د مختلفو هیوادونو تصویر له نورو هیوادوالو سره له نورو نړۍ سره شریکوي. افغانستان ته هم راغلی ده او بېلابېلو ولایتونو ته یې هم سفر کړی که نه. او نن ډېر خوشحالۍ ځای دی چې دا له موږ سره ده، له نورو کسانو سره هم مرکې کوي وخت نه وخت. نن به زه له دې سره خبرې وکړم. Emma, happy to see you here in Afghanistan, in Kabul.
It's great to be here again.
Thank you. It's your second time, I think.
Fourth time.
Fourth time?
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
good.
yes.
It's your fourth time that you came to Afghanistan.
Yep.
How many provinces have you seen?
Oh my gosh, I think I counted the other day. I've been to 11.
11. Can you tell me which provinces?
Bamyan, Herat, Mazar, Khost, Paktia, Panjshir, Nuristan, Kunar, Jalalabad. Where else have I been? Pagman.
Great.
Yeah, I forget a lot.
Will you see the other cities, provinces?
I hope so, yeah. If not this time, maybe next time. I extended my visa, so I only have a couple of weeks left now.
God. What's amazing here for you in Afghanistan?
The people.
People?
Yes.
Culture, food,
the culture, the people. Everybody's so friendly, hospitable, and the women are just so lovely. The women are just, I love the women here.
Great. Are you living in a hotel?
Hotel. Yes.
God. And tell me about the people of Afghanistan.
Oh, everybody's been so helpful to me. You know, they're so happy to see tourists come to the country. You know, after decades of war, the people are just, I don't know, they're just happy to see tourists.
Okay. You told me before that you have visited Khost province.
Yes.
I'm from Khost. And did you make any videos here?
I did, yes. I just didn't edit them yet.
You haven't edited?
No. I've got a lot still to edit.
Good.
Yeah.
And can you speak in Pashto?
No, I can say Senge.
Just Senge.
Manana.
Just Senge and Manana.
That's it, Jess. Yes.
How long have you been here?
This time I've been here 6 weeks now.
6 weeks?
Yep.
Are you from Scotland?
I'm from Scotland, yes.
Good.
Yep.
And how many countries have you visited?
I've been to about 32 countries, but if I like a country, I'll go back a few times. So that's why I come back here so many times.
It means you like Afghanistan the most.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Good. And will you here for some weeks or some days here?
I think I have 2 weeks left on my visa. So after 2 weeks, I have to leave because my visa's finished.
Good. Great. That's so great. And any Pashto song, any Pashto proverbs, any Pashto other?
No, I don't remember Pashto at all. I'm sorry.
Okay. And which kind of foods do you like?
Oh, my favorite's mantu.
Mantu.
And all the fruit juices. And ashak. And all the fruit juices, the shiryak ice, the shiryak. It's just all the fruits, the pomegranate juice, pomegranates I love. Yes.
And what's your message for those who are living behind Afghanistan or in other countries?
Oh, I've met many people, you know, that are from Afghanistan that have come back to visit because it's safe. They feel safe now. And I would say to other tourists to come to Afghanistan. I mean, safety is, I feel safer here than the UK or the US. Definitely, I feel safer here.
What was your thoughts before you came to Afghanistan?
So the first time was 1 year ago, August last year. First time I came, I didn't know because there was no YouTubers had been here. There was nothing to look on, so I was a little bit nervous. But I decided to come anyway and just see. And of course, I was just a little nervous, but after one day, I was fine. Everything, I felt comfortable.
Okay, now we're near to go back, and at the last moment, just describe Afghanistan in some words.
Afghanistan is it's a hidden gem of a country. It's just waiting to be explored by people. It has so many amazing hidden things in different provinces. I mean, I've been here 6 weeks. I could spend months and months here, and I would still never see all of
Will you
Afghanistan.
come again? in the
I'm
future
sure I
time?
will. Yeah.
Thank you so
Yes.
much for giving the time. Thank
Okay. Thank you.
دوستانو ایما چې د افغانستان مختلفو ولایتونو ته هم تللي او مختلفې منظرې هم له تاسو سره شریکولی. شاید زما انګلیسي په هغه کچه نه وي خو تاسې به مطلب اخیستی وي. ډېره مننه چې راسره وایې، ښې شوې او ښه وختونه. له تاسې هم قریشي صاحب ډېره مننه. خوشحاله اوسئ. قربان.